Hey guys, Ride Pro back again with another motorcycle for sale. What we got here is a 2006 Honda VTX 1300C. It's black in color. Really a fantastic bike here, in great shape. Got an aftermarket handlebars there. You can see they're straighter, more sporty. Also has these running lights. They do light up. Good front tire. It actually is going to have newer tires because the rear one's going to be brand new. It's pretty much gone, so we're going to replace that one here in-house. This bike has 25,500 miles. It's got a lot of extra chrome on it. Has Cobra exhaust. I don't know if you can see the little emblem there that says Cobra, but all this extra stuff you see here, this is all added on. It's the extra chrome. Makes it look really nice. It's got the sissy bar on it as well, and some leather saddlebags. Again, there's the tire. It's in bad shape. We're going to replace that one. So you'll have good tires to get out of here. If you're buying this one from out of state, you need help with shipping or picking up or a ride from the airport, just let us know. We do that all the time. Tampa International Airport is the place you'd want to fly in, and let us know and we'll pick you up. Really nice machine. Go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. This one sounds really good. Cobra pipes, really good. Alright guys, there it is. Any questions or comments, let us know. We can be reached at 813-615-1700 or catch us on our website at www.myridepro.com. There it is. Thank you.